Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of RS Glamorous channel. Welcome back. And in this video, I'll be talking about a product again from Dumb Dog, and I am loving this brand. Um, this is the Damage Recovery Face Serum. This is basically a serum which I'm going to review. I've used this product, and this serum is with kojic acid, and its net volume is 10 ml. And this is the first time I'm using kojic acid for my face. And it repairs skin damage caused by sun, controls production of melanin, even skin tone diminishes blemishes, as they claim. So we will get into the video and know my experience. I'll tell you my experience with this product from the last 15 days. So I think it's quite a time when I can review, because as you all know, I don't review any product without using them myself. First of all, without seeing any visible result, I will delay the product review till when I don't see any visible result on my skin. That can be a side effect, that can be a bad effect, or that can be a good effect. So I have used this, and I think like some products takes more than a month. I have reviewed previously which takes more than a month to get that like the visible result on my skin type, as my skin type is extremely oily T-zone with oily skin, and so it takes much time. Some products takes much time to like see the visible result, and then I have to review it. Some products within 1 day cause any harmful effects, which I review quickly. But this product, I think it is a pretty decent product, and which I have used, and decent results I have seen, which I'm going to review in this which I'm going to tell you in this video. So further ado, let's get started to this video. And before starting this, I want to say I make product reviews, subscription box unboxing, hauls, and lot more. Like being a student, I also share my educational tips too in this channel. And if you're new here, then please do click on that red subscribe button, which is free, and the bell icon beside it to get the notification whenever we upload a new video. So there is a giveaway going on in our channel. The first giveaway went very well, successful a few months back, and this is the second giveaway of the channel, where we are again giving away 3 lucky winners gifts. We are giving away. I have revealed the gifts last week, so you can check that out. The video link will be given in the I button above, and will be linked in the description box below. Some will be linked on the screen at the end of this video, or you can get on our channel and check out a lot of glam looks which I have created in the last few days and weeks. So this look which you are watching now, I have created with only 3 products. So the video is already on the channel to check it out. The link will be again given in the I button above. So yeah, let's get started on the review of the Dumb Dog face serum. So here is the packaging. As you can see, Dumb Dog Damage Recovery Face Serum with kojic acid. Net volume is 10 ml. Repairs skin damage caused by sun, controls production of melanin, even skin tone diminishes blemishes. It is a paraben-free, sulfate-free, and cruelty-free product. So here it writes here, a serum specifically formulated with kojic acid to repair damage done to skin and restores its natural glow. Kojic acid, a natural lightening agent, reduces the production of excess melanin and promotes a radiant skin tone. It also improves skin texture by fading dark patches on the skin, blemishes, and sunspots. Dumb Dog Damage Recovery Face Serum is free from parabens, sulfates, and mineral oils. Suitable for all skin types. As they recommend, direction for use is that on a cleansed face, apply 3 to 5 drops of serum. Massage it gently till the serum is absorbed in the skin. Recommended to apply twice daily for best results. The caution, as they says are: do not use this product on area of scratches, eczemas or dermatitis, those are skin infections and diseases. Avoid contact with eyes, as they already said those. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rashes appear. Keep out of reach of children. Stored at room temperature for external use only. And one more thing that I'll add on to this: keep away from direct sunlight or near your window panes. The ingredients wrote here are kojic acid, dipalmitate, rose water, avocado oil, turmeric extract, carrot seed extract, aqueous sodium gluconate, xanthan gum, cetearyl olivate, sorbitan olivate, phenoxyethanol, and perfume. Manufacturing details are given here, and marketing details are also given here. Customer care numbers are given if you wanted to wish for any feedback. The batch number used before is 720. The manufacturing is 720 and used before is 623. That means it has a shelf life of about 3 years. The MRP of this is 199, and if you buy it from Purplle you will get some discounts, and their Instagram handle is also given here. Now here you can see the DermDog brings for you authenticate skincare solutions that are designed to nourish, hydrate and enrich your skin's overall health, with a range of products that cater to different skin types and different skin concerns. We focus on healing and balancing your skin from within. We bring for you clinically proven healthy chemical ingredients with our skincare products. Our products are paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free. Revive and safeguard for your skin, like your skin, with DermDog. I have reviewed a lot of products from DermDog. Mainly the creams. I like their creams: the hyaluronic acid cream, the niacinamide cream, the salicylic acid cream, and the collagen, hydrolyzed collagen cream. So you can see there is a cap. So this cap was poured on the container. So I'll just show you. Let me keep this aside. This is a container where that cap was poured, and when you buy this, when you will be using this, you have to remove that cap and put this nozzle, the pump droplet type nozzle on this to take out the product properly. Now here the same writing goes on, the same thing, the directions, cautions, key ingredients, manufacturing details, marketing details, and the pricing, shelf life is written over here. It is a blue color beautiful container. As you can see, it looks really amazing, and the product inside is white in color. So I'll show you all in details. As you have seen, the product promises a lot. It has claimed a lot. So it claims to repair your skin, as kojic acid is like it rejuvenates your skin, repairs the damage on your skin, mainly the sun damage, the tan removal. It works in also lightening your skin up. So the product kind of look like this. When it comes with a cap like this, and further you have this dropper with it, which you can which you will use to pour this on your skin. I have used I have finished almost, and this product first of all looks really nice. It is a travel friendly one, though it is a glass container, but it is quite travel friendly because I feel of the fittings of the cap. I've used a lot of serums from CGG Cosmetics, which are my favorite, and I've reviewed them too. I've used serums also from different brands which I've reviewed. You can check those out. The links will be given in the description box below and in the I button, and some will be linked at the end of the screen. So you can also get in our channel playlist and check those. As you can see, this is a blue color. So whenever you are keeping this serum, whenever you're storing on storage, it doesn't get harmed with the sunlight. So keep away from direct sunlight. So the blue container is made for this. Mostly all DermDog, even the DermDog creams are made with kind of these things. That's good that the shelf life of the product is more for that in that case. Now talking about the product itself, first of all, it is very much the texture is much lighter if I compare them with the other serums. I felt the texture of this kojic acid is much lighter and smooth. It gets absorbed on your skin very quickly. I have extremely oily T-zone and oily skin type, though it gets absorbed very quickly, which is very much unusual in case of oily skin people. For dry skin types, you can use this for, because it also contains avocado oil into it, rose water, carrot seed extract, and for oily skin type it is a good one. It also contains base ingredients and aqua, which obviously makes it a good one to use by acne prone skin also. So if you even have acne prone skin, you can definitely go with this product. Now if I talk in much details about this product, what I experienced with my skin type is I felt that this is a decent product. First of all, you can use it and you will start watching the effects or the results on your skin within like 3 to 4 days, which happened with me. I felt that on the first day I didn't see such much effects on my skin type, but from the second and third I have seen a lot of like lot of glow in my skin. The first thing I observed is glow, which I really felt was working well. I felt the suppleness. I do have a healthy skin type. I try to maintain it, but whenever I am using a new product, I feel somewhere or the other my skin feels much duller. But in this case, this worked really well. I felt my skin felt a little glowing, and on that 3 days I didn't use any kind of face masks. I have only used this in the morning with followed by my morning makeup if I am going out, or my Wadi Hawa oil control moisturizer, which is one of my favorite. And at night I have followed this with this night cream from Dumb Dog. I use night cream from Dumb Dog, so I have used the serum after it soaked into my skin, then I have used it. For toners, I am recently using the Good Vibes toner, and that's the green tea Good Vibes toner, which I have already reviewed on the channel, so you can check all those. These are the things I have used for the 3 days, and I felt that glow I felt was a natural kind of glow that came up, which really makes I felt really happy, made me happy. And another thing which I followed with this was it didn't work much on acne, which even though they don't write that it will be working on acne, but I saw that because I had some acne few days back and I saw that it didn't work on acne. Else, one working as it says that kojic acid is a lightening agent. In that case, I felt yeah, it lightens up a little bit of your skin, but you might also get irritation in your eyes while you use this. So avoid using near your eye areas. That will be a better one. Those serums are not meant to be used in eyes on your eyes, but then also some means we people we always go all over. So I felt that I was going all over my face, and I felt on the eyes I felt little irritation, which on the first day I have to wash my eyes nicely with cold water. If you feel the same irritation, wash it off with cold water. Else do a patch test, because this is an acid, so acidic material might get, like if you have sensitivity issue on your skin type, you might not be suited with this. Any kind of acid material if you're using, then you have to do a patch test. So this was the starting of the journey of this with this product. Next, after around 7 to 8 days, what I felt was the less visibility of the scars. Though I don't have a lot of scars, but nowadays I'm getting a little of dark circles because of this festive shopping and all. So else on spots it works, on scars spots it works. Like I have acne spot, but the walking you won't see like you waked up the next day and saw your scars are like it gone, so invisible. So it doesn't works in that way. It takes time, but I felt it works. So if you have lot of scars, it will take a lot much time to get recovered with this. And if you have less scars or acne spots, you can definitely give this a try for a glowing skin. More for people who has like the festive is coming, which is the main reason I bought this product. I felt the claims of this product when I saw this. I bought this from Purple. You will get discount when you are buying from Purple. I too got discount on the MRP. So in Purple they says that this is a repair serum, like it will repair the restless skin you have, like you are working the whole day doing the classes, or if you have a job working from home, even that is stressful. Else you are not having enough sleep, then and also suntan. So in that case this serum works great as they claims. So in that case I wanted to see that the same thing is working with me. I felt yeah, it works really nice on that case. Though you have to, for your eye sector you can use the Badi Herbal under eye cream, which I feel is genuinely a decent product on that budget trend, which I personally use. You can also give it a try. For sunburn, yeah, it works, genuinely works on sunburn. It makes your skin look naturally glowing. It doesn't make you fair, but yeah, it helps you in a long run, helps you from recovering your scars or acne spots you have on your skin, or any scars you have on your skin. Working on it doesn't work on blackheads, whiteheads, else nothing on that case. For a good massage you have to like if you have a dry skin type, you have to use this with a good moisturizer, because it dries up in your skin very quickly. So for dry skin people you need a good moisturizer after you have used it. When you're using a moisturizer with this, try to use organic moisturizers. When you're using like creams with this, like night cream, day cream, moisturizers, use all organic. So because this is also organic, dermatologist tested, cruelty free product, so use organic product which will not cause any side effects. Else you might get a side effect using acid with inorganic products, because inorganic products contains a lot of like chemicals which might get affected or reacted with this product on your skin. And for toner also I will say the same thing. When you're using a kind of acid, that can be anything, so use the toner that is organic. I've reviewed a lot of toner on the channel. If you wanted to DIY toners, I've made a lot of toners myself, and you DIY toners because you can save a lot of money in toners, so you can do that. I think for a festive this was a good buy for me, and my skin felt really glowing. And I think I'll be using the one more thing that I should add on to this is that this bottle will not go for a long period of time. This container, this 10 ml, if you are using in the morning and also in the night before bedtime, as they recommends to use twice daily. So in that case this will go only for 25 days maximum. Else if you're using only at the night time, then it will go more days, around more than a month. So before puja this can be a good buy for you all. This goes for all skin types, so you can use this and get that glow. And if you have restless skin, then I will recommend you all guys to use this product. For me it gets the 8 out of 10. I felt that it works really nice. It really works nice. And if you want something that will work more quicker, then you can go with the CZZ cosmetic serum, but that is not kind of budget friendly one, that is a little costlier. So I have reviewed two serums from CZZ Cosmetics, which I will be linking in the description box below. You can check it out from the description box below. Else you can also go for essential oils, which I have reviewed a lot of essential oils on the channel. Essential oils will also help you in rejuvenating your skin and repairing the healthy skin, so that when the festive months are here, so when the festive months are here, your makeup, you don't need a lot of makeup to hide it. You can just simply use simple makeups, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on buying makeup products. So if your skin is healthy, so you don't need that, you'll be enough with the little products also. So yeah, keep your skin healthy. It will make your makeup look more glowy than a makeup usually does. And it will also save a lot of time, because festives, you don't want anyone to wait for you, like your friends and families when they have planned out to go. So make your skin look healthy and go and get this product. This product helped me a lot in this case, I felt. And if you have if you can go for more not so budget friendly product, then you can also go for CZG one. You can also use this in combination with night creams from Dum Dog. According to your skin issues, I have reviewed a lot of Dum Dog night creams in the channel. You can use that and see what happens on your skin, because yeah, that was all for this video. Hope you felt it a little helpful. If you did, then please hit on the like button. That encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable content for you. Please share it with all your friends. Do comment as well your opinion regarding this product or any other video content you wanted us to make. And I would love to make videos on the topic, but it takes time for me to review because I don't just go and claim. I have to use it on myself and see the visible result on my skin type, then I review it. Yeah, that was all for this video. Please subscribe, get on to the family of RS Glamorous and glam with us. Click the bell icon beside it, also on the all notification button on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our videos. Yeah, that was all for this video. Hope you stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy, and bye bye.